Hi friends, hope you are enjoying this MMS video series. The topic which I have brought to you this time is environmental ethics. So let's go to this interesting concept. So what is environment? Environment is the place where the biotic and abiotic interactions takes place around the ecosystem. And what is ethics? Ethics is nothing but the cognitive ability to decide which is right or wrong. So, combining the environmental and ethics, the environmental ethics is the human being's ethical relationship with the natural environment. So, how the concept of environmental ethics came into limelight? In 1970s, the awareness about our environment was aided by two books. Rachel Carson's Silent Spring, that talks about the wildlife destruction and public health crisis, and Paul Ehrlich's book The Population Bomb, which denotes the devastating effect in increasing population and earth resources. Environmental ethics answers or addresses the human's moral obligation to protect our environment. It addresses the ethical question like what duties do humans have with respect to environment and why. Environmental ethics reconstructs the essential type of arguments that can be made for protecting natural entities and sustainable use of natural resources. With the rapid increase in world population, the consumption of natural resources has increased several times. This has degraded our planet's ability to provide the services we humans need. This is evident in decreasing of days in Earth's overshoot day. Earth overshoot day is a calculated illustrative calendar date on which humanity's resource consumption for the year exceeds Earth's capacity to regenerate those resources that year. There are several environmental issues that have been created havoc on environmental and human life. Some of the major issues including pollution, overpopulation, industrial and household waste, acid rain, climate change, ozone layer depletion, deforestation, global warming has caused disastrous effect in the form of human health, rise in sea level, depletion of non-renewable resources, melting of glaciers, extinction of species and many more. So, let's see about the environmental ethics and the principles which connects the environment and ethics as one. The first principle is anthropocentrism, which suggests that human beings are the most important beings, all other beings are accessories that would assist in their survival. The second important theory is psychocentrism, which states that human beings hold more value in environment since their mental capacities are better developed. The third important principle is biocentrism, which imparts importance to all living beings, ensures proper balance of ecology on planet. And the fourth important principle is holism, which consider the whole environmental system as one than considering them being an individual parts of something. And there are different types of environmental ethics which deals and studies the environmental ethics. They are social ecology, which studies the relationship between the human and environment, and deep ecology, which studies and promotes the intrinsic value of all beings, and ecofeminism, which looks the earth as woman so that we can respect it in better way. The above principles converge on one silver lining. Environment plays several ecological services to living things. These ecological services differentiate our mother earth from other planets. Now we will see about India and the environmental ethics. Contemporary India experienced almost unrestricted exploitation of resources because of lot of new consumeristic lifestyle. But in ancient India, the Indian people has a long-standing affection to their environment. The concept called sacred groves can be noted among our forest dwellers as a prime example. When there is a threat to the environment, Indians have actively made it a mass movement like Chipko or Apico movement and saved their respective environments. The environmental movements favor the sustainable development of natural resources. They are centered on ecology, health, and human rights. The raising ethical consciousness on environment has led to several measures throughout the spectrum of public policy. Indian government is the first in the world to legislate Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 and protected many species with many initiatives like Project Tiger, Project Elephant, Project Angul, etc. Recognizing the importance of rivers, our Honorable Supreme Court declared Ganga, Yamuna as living entity. This act shows the ethical realization on importance of environmental ethics. On international scale, environmental ethics has been realized on various forums and conventions like Earth Summit, Vienna Convention, Montreal Protocol, etc. To error is human, as we all know, but if you don't realize that error sooner and rectify them, we will suffer from that same error. To find a solution for any problem, we have to acknowledge there is a problem. Environmental ethics is the actual acknowledgement of various environmental problems that surrounds us. Hope you have enjoyed this video of various dimensions of environmental ethics and India's and international contributions to address the various environmental problems through environmental ethics. I will meet you in another interesting topic very soon. Until then, this is D. Kishore Kumar signing off on behalf of Sadik IAS Academy. Study well and stay safe. Thank you.